we have an earwig here.
Please stop!
We have an earwig.
Stop.
Oh, I just dropped it. Oh, I just dropped it. I just dropped it.
Take
It's
it
your
out.
little mascot.
Alex! Stop. Take it out. Take it out.
The little mascot. Good old Avenue Fitness. Gonna go get this workout in. Pretty typical traffic here. Just finishing up some work. It is almost 1 a.m. and I'm going to get up at 9 a.m. for a meeting. So this is what it's like. Yeah, running a business from Bali that's in the US. Most nights, some nights are worse than this, some nights are better, but I think this is about average. Going to bed at 1 a.m. So it is 9 a.m. I stayed up till 2 a.m. last night, but I had to get up to do the laundry, and now it's iced coffee time. See you after I'm done drinking coffee. So one of the good things about being here is they have really famous coffee here, right? Like Java Sumatra, that's part of Indonesia. Sumatra Mellow, local. And now it is completely downpouring. Oh my god. Move these towels away. Good morning, nomads. Getting my coffee. And it is raining hard. And the little one is preparing for a journey across the typhoon that is this walkway. Whose towel is that? Whose towel is on your head? That is my towel. It rains here sometimes. And by sometimes, I mean almost every day. But it usually rains for about an hour really hard and then doesn't rain again. So Sven literally left right before this rain started. Now she's stealing my rain jacket. Oh my gosh, the amount of effort that's going into walk 10 feet. Yeah, your hair's already wet and you're in a bathing suit. So today, just sitting by the pool, watching my parents' old YouTube videos as I prepare the website for the RV rental business. And just a chill day. I do have my laundry returning at 1:30. It's gonna cost like $12 for me and Lada's laundry, but it's like all of our clothes. A little bit more expensive than you'd like it to be, but there's literally nobody has like laundry hookups inside their homes here, so you just kind of have to do it. Is what it is. Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. Yeah. Good little day. At Pepito preparing to get some food. I just got some prime topside beef being chopped up right now. And I'm gonna make tacos for everybody. So just getting the quinceañera food ready here. Chopping up some, nope.
I'm the main character.
So getting some garlic cloves cut. I already cut some onions. We're using a rice cooker to slow cook because we don't have an actual slow cooker. And got 3 kilos of meat, guacamole. We got Sven over here pacing the pool, guarding it, and his blow up unicorn. And listening to some high quality Mexican music. Right, Sven? Yes. Woo! So I'm not sure. In typical Sven.
Something is going on there.
Yeah, that was just a balloon exploded. But in typical fashion, when you travel a lot, you almost never have like the right tools to do things. So we're using a rice cooker to slow cook that the meat is starting to cook.
Yum.
And I couldn't find beef
this is
broth.
it.
Going out to the end of our driveway to go get some food. Pretty chill Sunday morning. A little bit tired, but going to hit the gym today, maybe go surf, and just chill. Just have a chill Sunday. You know what I'm saying? This is like the Gatorade, which is 6,000, and this little post-workout chocolate bar was 4,000. It's gonna go, oh, there it is. There's a bunch of bats. I'm gonna go, we have a bat in a little enclosure here. Probably gonna have a bunch of bat friends all join them. Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it. Cool. Yay, almost. Okay, so we got some barbecued chicken that was slow cooked and now just putting some finishing touch, some garlic bread, some salad, random Dutch person who walked into the place, so we're feeding him now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and look out for future videos as a digital nomad traveling around the world, and I'll be sharing tips and tricks about what to do when traveling remotely or traveling and working remotely. Let's get back to the video. It's 8:30, I stayed up till 3 a.m. and there's people right next door, even though they told us when we moved in that there's gonna be construction. They said that all of the loud machinery wasn't gonna be near us. And this guy's been using a blade saw and it feels like he's in our building. He's been doing the past 30 minutes. And this happened like all day yesterday. We complained about it. This morning, it's time to make some coffee. Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you, my love.
Yeah.
So pretty. Oh. Do I have to answer?
Yeah, well, you have to figure it out. I'm not going to tell you. Well, I don't know if you'd be able to figure it out by just reading what am I.
Okay. This gift will elevate your travel game to a place where sun and fans the game with
The same. Yeah.
The same.
I messed that up.
I'm stuck in royalty.
We're going skydiving. No, I'm just kidding. We have to get to Hawaii.
In a business class?
First class.
First class?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, my love. Thank you so much.
So tonight, what we got? We got some shrimp that for Laura's birthday. Master Chef is cooking up.
Alec, stop it. Oh, I'm gonna... You don't need a lot of flavor for shrimps. They're
If you
ready.
told her eating a giant prawn raw, she would eat like an apple if she thought it was healthy. Basically, I just cut with a scissor. I cut through it and then chopped it open so it looks like this. And this is what I found from the video. And you see some.
Strong. And I'm just here observing.
Yeah. How would you describe it with your vocabulary?
It's like a fishy, but buttery.
Okay. Who's 2 years old?
Me.
Yeah.
Okay, how to make a wish, no?
Yeah.
Ay, what is going on?
The fireworks.
Fireworks.
Yeah.
Ay, they're gonna burn me, no? What should I do? Ali!
Just sit there. It's okay.
Thank you. I'll blow them.